Okay, guys, so what's up? You may see 4 different versions of Blink. Of course you do. Well, coming up real soon, a shadow. But, just kidding. But even though a shadow will come to life, a boy will separate into 4. Yes, 4 different versions of himself, different personality itself. Why don't we have a look-see for each 5 and for each one? Take it to the next one, please. Thanks. But anyway, these boys right here, as you may know, are green, blue, vio, or in other words, purple. Or Violet, is it? And Violet would say, is that a girl's name? Real funny. Optimistic and innocent for red, shadow, and of course, these 5 boys go on adventures like never before. At first, they weren't pretty good, but now they're completely awesome. But since it was so good, this will be coming out as a movie. You're going to be so excited to find out what happens to the boys. The immortal demon body attacks from nowhere, released from its tomb, and deep down underground. The boys, and of course, will have to fight it out and go on great adventure, but they seem to be torn apart until they find each other again at Death Mountain. And just not as reunited, though. The battle against it will have to be for someone you know. But anyway, the boys and his personalities you may see on the last few previous pictures are way different than you think. Each one is way different. Green is focused and motivated, blue is hot-headed and aggressive, red is optimistic and innocent, and as Red would say, and Violet is super cool, and Violet would say, I prefer calm and collected. While Shadowlink didn't have his time to see what happens next. What happens is that how I would say superstitious wise, he's kind of like a little different from the others. He's kind of like an outcast, a fighter for himself. He's a little rebellious. You'll have to see for the movie for yourself to find out what happens next. Oh, and don't forget this. Subscribe and comment, please, if you may. So anyway, it's time to say goodbye. See you in a bit, boys.